Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I over bleached my knots. My frontal. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I fix this. I have my Adore jet black, and I already put it in the bowl. And I have my little toothbrush, and I do have some dye left over in here from last time, but I just mixed it in. It's no big deal. So hopefully I don't get this on my pajamas. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna brush it on. Like that. And then I'm gonna go over to the other side. And I'm gonna brush it on over there. You wanna be careful, you don't wanna bleach the, you don't wanna make the actual lace under black, so this does have 6-inch parting. So I'm just trying to make sure that I get it until I'm satisfied, and then once this is actually like dried in, I know I have some parts that, that are over processed, like on the inside, but I just want to focus on this part right here, because this is what people will actually see. So you want to just cover up the noticeable mistake. This is beginner friendly. You don't have to be a professional to do this. As you can see, I do have one, but I'm not using an actual applicator brush for this. I'm just using a random old toothbrush that I had for coloring. And you don't want to press too hard. You just want to, do a just enough thing. And if you do have to like go inside to mess up any mistakes, you want to make sure that you have on gloves. And I did bleach these knots perfectly. It just seeped through a little bit. And you don't want to be going outside and have people just watching you like, oh, what did she do? Because, there's always some nosy heifers out there. Like, you worry about your lace, and I'll worry about mine. You want to get as close to the part as you can, and that's as close as I want to go. I don't want it to look like my frontal is balding, so I'm going to just leave this on since it is Adore. I'm going to just leave this on for a little while, and then I'll probably wash it out because I have some leftover glue like around here. And then when I do apply this lace, I will be cutting off some of this lace. That's like a little bit too much lace. So that's basically what I wanted to do. I know it's some more like discoloration in here, but I only was focusing on the part. Okay, so there you have it. It's fixed. It's not really much else to show, but I just wanted to make sure I show my beauties how I fixed a over bleached frontal. And I think I do want to go in here just a little bit and show you. So I'm gonna fix that right now so nobody won't come for me. Oh, but you gotta fix it. But I'm not gonna show this part. And I think I'm gonna be wearing this wig when I have my surgery. So I want to make sure that it's right. I might want to go just in here just a little bit, just to see. And I'm going to show you. Just a little bit over here. I'm gonna fix that. Most people don't wash this out, they just leave it. So, I mean, I'm going to. I don't really have to, but I have to get the extra glue off my lace so I can have a smooth install. And then I'm gonna put the remainder of this color around my edges on my hair. So if you were looking to see me just cover up my mistakes, here you have it. My mission was complete. And when I feel that I'm ready, I probably will wash this out. Most people just blow dry it in. I don't know if I'm gonna actually do that, but you will see in another video when I'm preparing to leave for my surgery, the final results. But this is pretty much the final results. I achieved my goal. I just wanted to fix my mistakes, and that's what I did. So if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do that. Thumbs up this video if you learned something new. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Later.